In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gmail app password. If you've ever tried to connect your Google account to an email client or another tool and your regular password didn't work, this is for you. An app password is a special one-time 16-character code that lets less secure or older apps sign into your Google account when they don't support modern verification prompts. You'll create it once, then use it in place of your normal password inside that app. Start by opening your Google account. The quickest way is to open any Google page, click your profile picture in the top right, and choose Manage your Google account. That takes you to your account dashboard where you can control privacy, security, and sign in options. Next, go to Security or Security and Sign in the left hand menu. This is where Google groups all sign in methods and protections. Before you can generate an app password, you must have two-step verification turned on. Find two-step verification and set it up if you haven't already. You'll be guided to confirm your identity and choose a second factor, like a phone prompt, an authenticator app, or a text message. Keep your phone nearby and follow the on-screen instructions. Once it's enabled, you'll see two-step verification listed as on. With that complete, look for app passwords on the same security page and click it. You may be asked to re-enter your password to confirm it's really you. On the app passwords page, you'll be prompted to name the password so you remember where it's used. Pick a clear descriptive label like the app and device so you can recognize it later. Click Create. Google will instantly generate a 16-character app password and show it on screen. This is the only time it will be displayed, so copy it right away. Treat it like a real password, don't share it, and keep it somewhere secure if you need to reference it while setting up your app. Now, go to the application you're connecting and paste that 16-character code into the password field. Use it exactly as shown, without spaces. You'll typically sign in with your normal email address as the username and this app password as the password. After the app accepts it, you're all set. You won't need to memorize the code. That's it. You opened your Google account, went to security, enabled two-step verification, generated an app password, and used it in your app. If you ever stop using that app or you think the code was exposed, return to app passwords in your Google account and remove it for peace of mind. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.